Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have the project open. Now focus. First, open the specific HTML or configuration file that contains the URL you want to change. Use Ctrl+P to jump to a file name or the Explorer to browse. Once done, scan for href, src, fetch, or a launch. JSON/live server setting, the URL usually sits there. You edit in place so changes take effect immediately. Make sure autosave or manual save is on, because unsaved edits won't be served or used by the debugger. You'll now change the actual URL and related settings. Replace the URL inside the HTML tag or JS fetch call with the new address. Use double quotes consistently. If you use live server or the debugger, open vscode/launch. JSON or settings and update the URL, host, or port fields, then save. Once done, run a project-wide search and replace to catch duplicates. This ensures both the served preview and debugger point to the same destination, preventing mismatch bugs during testing. Finally, verify your change by launching live server or running the debug configuration. You should see the new URL in the browser address bar and console logs. If the old address still appears, clear the browser cache, restart live server, or restart VS Code. Extensions sometimes cache settings. Make sure ports match if you changed them, and check the developer console for 404s or CORS errors. These often reveal small typos or protocol mismatches that block the updated URL from working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.